This video is about how to make money with Rev.com. Rev allows freelancers to earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere at any time. These gigs range from YouTube videos, podcasts, conferences, and hundreds more. To sign up, go to your search bar and type Rev.com. Select here. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Freelancers. Input your first name, last name, email, position, and country. And click Next. Follow the steps to complete: introduction, background, skill assessment, grammar and style, transcript sample, and the terms of service. Submit when done and wait for at least 24 hours for the approval. If you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. This is where it gets interesting. You must be physically located in an approved area, and you must have official identification from an approved location in order to freelance with Rev. The approved locations are Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and the United States excluding the state of California. In my opinion, you could use a VPN to show that you are in an approved location. Some risks are meant to be taken. No risk equals no rewards. Check the link in the description for a VPN you can try. But let's not stray too far. There is an exception. If you are applying for foreign language subtitling, the above list may not apply to you. Foreign language subtitling rates are way more attractive. Per Rev's terms of service, freelancers must be at least 18 years of age, do quality work, and have identification for the approved location to prevent account deactivation. As a transcriptionist, you would listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, and label the speakers. The range of pay is from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio-video minute. A captioner watch video, accurately types what is being said, creatively conveys sounds and sync typed audio with video. The pay ranges from 54 cents to $1.10 per audio-video minute. If you know a foreign language, then you can try to translate subtitles. Subtitlers make anywhere from $1.50 to $3 per audio-video minute. Do the maths. Yes. Pause here, hit the like and subscribe button and do the maths of what you could make per day up to a week. And you can withdraw your pay weekly. Yes, weekly. On any given day, there are hundreds of projects for Revers to preview, claim, and complete for extra income. So you will set your limits. Remember to work smart. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.